Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to lock Netflix profile with password. First thing, go to netflix.com and sign in with your account. Hover over your profile icon in the top right corner, then click Account. Under Profile and Parental Controls, find the profile you want to lock. Click the arrow next to the profile name to expand its settings. Next, head to Profile Lock, then click Change. Enter your Netflix account password, then check the box labeled Require a PIN to access the profile name. Enter a 4-digit PIN or optional enable Require PIN to add new profiles. Then just click Save. To make sure your kids don't access your profile, use viewing restrictions to filter content by age and always exit your profile after watching. Just select Exit Profile from the menu. This ensures your Netflix stays secure and kid-friendly. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.